Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to enroll in Zelle using your Chase account. If you're living in 2025, you know how essential quick and secure money transfers are, and Zelle makes that a breeze, especially when integrated with Chase. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending money to family, this step-by-step tutorial will get you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Chase mobile app installed on your smartphone or access to the Chase website on your computer. This ensures you're using the most up-to-date features for 2025. Once you're ready, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you haven't set up biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID, it's a great time to do that for added security. After logging in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Payments or Transfers section. That's usually where Zelle lives. Tap on Zelle, and you'll see an option to enroll. Click that, and the app will prompt you to enter some basic information, like your email address or phone number associated with your account. This is how Zelle verifies your identity, so double-check for accuracy. Next, you'll need to review and accept the terms and conditions. It's quick, but make sure to skim through for any 2025 updates on privacy and fees. Once that's done, Chase might send a verification code to your phone or email. Enter that to confirm. Boom, you're enrolled. Now, you can start adding contacts and sending money right away. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. If you run into any issues, like an error message, check your app updates or contact Chase support. They're usually super helpful. Remember, Zelle transactions are typically instant, so handle them with care. And there you have it, folks. Enrolling in Zelle on Chase is easier than ever in 2025. Give it a try and enjoy hassle-free payments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.